Toyota porn, hashtag. Toyota porn. Fibonacci. Jonathan Fibonacci. Anybody who follows my channel knows I like me a little Toyota. In fact, I've owned 2 of them. They're one of the best trucks. I think it's one of the best trucks, best looking. Like I said, I've owned 2 of them. One went over 250,000 miles. It's not hard to get me. Getting all romantic. There's my Tundra. Post yours. Just go to Fibonacci. Link me there. Put hashtag Toyota porn. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's Telluride, Colorado. I want to show you some of the demographics of my channel. By the way, this is Jonathan Fibonacci. I'm doing all kinds of things on this channel. Here I am, a nature lover, dad, stock trader, teacher, book reader, cannabis advocate, hashtag MRA, I guess Toyota salesman. What do you want to do? There I am, newbie comic, photographer. Love me some Toyota. So here you go. Let me turn my love of Toyota porn. Use the growth of this channel. Let me show you how far we're growing. I guess the word is demographics. That's one of the worst words in the... Is there a worse word in the English language than demographic? Let me show you. We're growing in Texas, Colorado. Florida, New York. If you own a dealership in those states, email me, americana417@gmail.com. Demographics. Here we go. Are you there? Do you run a Toyota, maybe a Toyota specialty dealership, or maybe you make accessories? This is how far the channel is reaching. There you go. California, Texas, Colorado, Florida, New York. I think Seattle. Look at that. The last one I had, I did not have the leather package, but holy shit, that is beautiful. Like I said, post your ride, hashtag Toyota porn at Fibonacci. These guys are out of California. Like I said, California, Colorado. Saw a dealership out of Fort Worth, Texas. If you'd like to profile your Toyota Tundra on my channel, have a national audience affordably. You can do monthly plans or buy the vehicle. Email me, americana417@gmail.com. Or just post your Toyota at hashtag Toyota porn. Toyota. It's be good.